photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care.
Morning. So here at Tattershal Lakes in Lincolnshire. Got here last night, absolutely hammering it down. So I didn't do any fishing or anything. Literally just got the kids in the caravan, sorted the dog out. Absolute nightmare. It was literally, the place is flooded, but it seems to have dried up now. So this is the lake that I'm going to fish. Apparently there's carp to 25, 28 pounds. There's pike to 25 pounds, tench, roach, that kind of thing. Obviously I'm going to just be fishing for the big fish. I'm going to pike fish one day and I'm going to carp fish. I'm not decided yet. I'm going to see what the Tom's tackle, what baits he's got, and then I'll decide what I'm going to fish for. So yeah, I'll get all my stuff sorted, and then when I'm at the lake we'll crack on and hopefully get some fish on the bank here at Tattershal Lakes. Right, so fishing at Tattershal, your guide to fishing lakes. Where's the big species? Carp to £10, carp to £32, tench to £8, bream to £8, pike to £25. That's the lake I'm fishing. So basically you fish on the island. So I think I'll probably just drop one in the edge to start with, and then have a cast around. Tells you all the details on here. It's really good. Best baits, polony or boilies, best methods, float or method, PVA. Right, so first of all I'm going in with a feeder rig. I've got a little hair rig with a sort of band on. Can't really see that.
You've got maggots. See, you've got maggots on it.
We've got some maggots and a maggot feeder. Right, first cast at Tattershal Lakes. Chub out cast rod, TF gear max power reel. So this is my setup. Got my first cast out of my maggot feeder rigging, just sort of halfway to that sort of little island there, which I think should be good for holding fish up. Right, so I've changed the rig up a bit. I've got a running maggot feeder on the line, just down to a little bead and then onto the swivel, and then we've got the same rig with the maggots on. What was you doing? Right, we've moved pegs. We've seen loads of bubbles down here and fish jumping like just there. So we've moved down to this peg, and it's looking quite good at the minute. I'm trying to be really quiet because there's fish all over the place. to the big lake. It's 9:30 at night. We've got about an hour, a couple of hours, hopefully land a fish. Not bothered really what size it is, just want to catch something, so let's go and see if there's anything around. Yeah, this is the rig I'm going for. It's about 10 o'clock at night. I'm just going for a chod, a choddy, and on it I've just got a sticky baits bootu berry, and these are from Wish. I've got them, just pay shipping. They're the fake maize, so this is going to be the first test for these as well. Basically fish off the island, so I'm going to have a look at the pegs, see where it looks good, and then get set up. It's amazing here, it looks brilliant to hopefully catch a couple, so just have a look at the pegs and we'll see what it looks like. Wow, this island's so big, so many areas to go. I just ain't got a clue where to go at the minute. I think I'm just going to go back round the top end where I first came in. There's some good looking ends down here, but they all seem pretty tight. You'd probably be better with stalker rods and stuff, which I've not got. So I think I'm going to go back, get the kit out of the car, make my choice and get the lines in, because I just want to get fishing now. This looks a good peg, them reeds on the right, wind pushing in. It looks quite shallow though, that's the only problem. Wow, look at that garden over there. Now that is a balcony on the lake. Oh, I'd love that as a holiday home. So I've set my rig up, got a little PVA bag with some sticky krill, pineapple goo, and this is my rig, sticky baits, white pop-up, and then going down the hook length onto a cog lead. So I'm going to cast it out. Day 3, Tattershal Lakes. Still no fish on the bank yet. I've only done altogether about 4 hours fishing, so I've been with the kids, but gutted I've not landed anything. I've seen fish jump in and stuff, but not a lot. The big lake was really weedy, so I'm back out. It's about 11 o'clock at night. I've got a Carp rig on with a pop-up white sticky signature 12mm pop-up, and I've got it on a running rig, so fingers crossed I can get some on the bank. Now down at Woodlake. It's Thursday now, so I'm desperate to catch something today. Been ill all week anyway, so it's been hard going. I've just found the best lake, which it was over the other side. I've only just found it, so got a couple of hours on it. Got the rods out. Got in a good peg up to a side margin where there's no fishing, sort of no peg, so casted over to that. So this is the peg I'm in. I've put a PVA bag rig on, casted it about, I'd say to about there, about a couple of metres off the margin. We're in! Oh, first fish. So this is the rig that I caught that 17-pound mirror carp on from Woodlake. I've got some anti-tangle tubing coming down to a 1.1 ounce Guru lead, inline lead, as I was using PVA bags. And then I've got a little sleeve, a quick link, and then I've got a little weight there just to stop this foot coming down because it was a bit loose. And I've got my coated braid, hook length, a bit of putty to pin it all down, a codex hook, and a sticky krill, 12mm boilie, and fake corn on top. That's the rig that I caught that nice 17-pound mirror on. I'm absolutely buzzing with that fish. Just a shame I didn't get much better footage of it.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told